Introducing VitaClay Smart Organic Multi-Cooker, the amazing slow cooker, rice cooker, bonus yogurt maker, and steamer all in one clay pot. A time-honored tradition with a modern twist. It uses a traditional clay pot to enhance flavors naturally with a push of a button. Set it and go to save time without all of the heat, labor, and cleanup. This all-natural clay has been used for thousands of years as the perfect cooking medium, delivering the earthy flavor, texture, and nutrients that are unparalleled in other cooking materials. It's lead-free, aluminum-free, and non-stick chemical-free. Simply add your ingredients into the clay pot, place into the computerized base, and press the button. Couldn't be easier. Your home meal can be ready in as little as 30 minutes. It uses synergistic cooking technology. Heat radiates from all sides of the clay, creating a steam bath. Foods simmer in their own natural juices. The clay pot sits in an airtight thermal chamber, allowing cooking temperature to remain consistent. Dual lid design promotes less evaporation, sealing in essential vitamins and minerals. Meats are more tender and juicier. Foods cook faster using 50% less energy. You can now easily create fresh home meals in a fraction of the time for your family. You got dinner tonight! Or wake up to a hot, energy-filled cereal using the delay feature. Thai curry chicken, quinoa, yogurt, sushi rice. The possibilities are endless. Top rated for health and weight loss. Don't wait! You could be having delicious quality meals that are so easy to make. VitaClay is your all-in-one solution to home-cooked healthy meals for the whole family.